Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how long this Prizepicks takes to pay. In order to understand how long the Prizepicks takes to pay, or does it instantly transfer the funds or pay you, or does it take 1 to 2 business days? So as per the Prizepicks, or many of the customers has reviewed that. However, many customers are qualified for instant withdrawal. Likewise, new customers will often have at least their first few withdrawal reviewed by a qualified specialist for security reasons. Now, this review takes between 6 to 12 hours towards the lower end of the range. Now, once your withdrawal is approved, you have a different choice to get your money, that is instant or card withdrawal. So basically, it might take a couple of days, it might happen in an instant. So this highly depends on the type of account that you hold. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.